Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to check Spotify ID. So the first step is to open the Spotify app on this Android device. So when it's completely open, you will see. Now you will go in the top left corner of the profile icon by the name of your. So from here you will just go in the profile. So now you will just click to three dots and click to preview profile. So you will just click to share. So this is your Spotify ID. You can share it directly or you can copy the link and paste it whatever you want to share with any application. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.